everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to create Azure App Service step by step. Before we jump into the demo, let's quickly understand what Azure App Service is. It's a fully managed service for deploying web applications, and it supports multi-languages like .NET, Python and PHP. With the help of this, we can publish our code. Let's get started. Now, here in this search box, type app service. Once you type app service, you will get option called app service. Now, click on this. Now, here we can create app service. Now, click on create and select web app. Since we do not have any resource group, so we will create new one. Let's click on create new. We can give resource group name called like app rg01. Now here we need to give name for our app service. Let's give name called my first app 01. After this, we will keep the option code as it is. Now select runtime stack. I am going to select 4.8. Region you can select as per your requirement, but I will select East US 2. After this, we need to select app service plan. So we will create new app service plan here. Click on create new and give the name. My app service plan. Now click on next. Here we do not have any database. We will click on next. Under the deployment, we will keep the options as it is. Click on next. Under the networking, we will enable public access. Click on next. Since we do not need application inside, we will click on no. Click next. Again next. Now we have to click on create. We need to wait for some time to app service get created. Submitting deployment was there. Now deployment is in progress. Now you can see here deployment is complete. Click on go to resource. Now we will validate our app service. For that, you have to copy this domain URL. Now open new tab. Now paste this URL and click on enter. So you can see here we have successfully deployed our web app. If you found this video any helpful, please like, subscribe and share this video. Thanks for watching.